Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. We see that we don't have the formula to do this one. But if we do this integration, we have s e to the power of negative s squared. Why? Because the integration of dy you got about y, and later that we have the bounds from 0 to s. So s will go here, number 0 go here. That's why we have s. And now we have the integration from 0 to number 1 of the s. Now, in this one, we can use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about u equals to negative s squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative 2s ds. Because we don't have the negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that is from here. So I will put number 0 on here, and you got u equals to number 0 when s equals to number 1. So we put number 1 on here. So u equals to negative number 1. So number 0 we keep the same. Number 1 we change for negative number 1. Negative s where we change for u. S ds we change for this one. And now we have the final answer. So I will put negative number 1 on here, number 0 on here. And this is the final answer.